Today, we're going to show you how to install the Oracle Lighting Bi-LED Oculus headlights on a Jeep Gladiator. If you're in the market for a high precision, high quality, true 9-inch LED headlight, the Oracle Oculus is the light for you. We're going to go ahead and take a look at how the installation is done. So to get started, first thing we're going to do is open the hood. The only thing we really need to do now is go ahead and pop off the 6 clips across the top. I'm using my super fancy tab popper. All we have to do is pull the grill. You'll be able to take it off and set it on the side. This vehicle does have the forward-facing trail camera, so we're going to pop it off. Then we've got to disconnect the trail camera and the water line before we can take the grill completely off. This is the water line here that goes to the washer for the front camera. All we need to do to remove this is to press this down and just pop it right off. So this cable for the camera goes down and over here. There's a quick connect right here to disconnect it. In order to disconnect it, we're just going to press down and push apart. Now with that removed, you can pop off the other tabs and set this on the side. All right, so this vehicle is equipped with the factory LED headlights. These are going to come out the same way as the halogen lights. We have 3 T10 screws we're going to remove. The headlight's going to come out. We're going to unplug it and set it on the side. And we just repeat that step. All right, so now we're ready to install the Oracle Oculus headlights. There's a little notch on this one and a tab here to make sure that they go in correctly. So we line those up, put those together, and we tighten down this waterproof connector. So now to hook up the headlights, we have this plug and play connector coming off the headlight here. So all we do is we push this on and we listen for the snap. Now we're just gonna go ahead and reinstall the headlight using the hardware that we removed earlier. Now we're just going to go ahead and do a quick test on the headlight. In order to test the halo, we're going to put the vehicle in accessory mode. Now for the passenger side, we're just going to do the same steps. Plug in our daytime running light. Tighten down the waterproof connector. And we want to hear that snap into place. So we're going to go ahead and reinstall the grill now. If you have the front trail camera, you're going to go ahead and reconnect the trail camera and the water line as well. Now that the grill's set in place, what we need to do is go ahead and re-engage these clips. To do that, we need to firmly press. You'll hear them snap back into place. And then we go ahead and reinstall the 6 clips across the top. All right, that just about wraps this up. But if you have more questions or want to learn more about the Oracle Oculus headlights, visit www.oraclelights.com/Oculus or call us at 1-800-407-5776.